Systematic revolution, 26 dead, 1 lost in the flight. Or in translation, they give you the numbers to swell up your fears. So go ahead and count your cash, you can't count the tears. I'm gonna run away, pack my bags, take all I need. 'Cause you can cut, but they won't bleed. Flies gather around, picking at the scraps. Eyes watching you through photo-optic glass. And when the sky is black, are you still alive? And when your soul is dead, are you still alive? And when you lost your head, are you still alive? Are you still alive?
When they're able to, they're making it a parables, terrible, comparable to a sky without angels. Under the moon we shine plentiful. Roadways were more than a spectacle. They're deprived of the light, stolen by the mic, given by the sun, but taken by the sun. For it's the light to walk in it and play tonight. The benevolence of the moon will shine bright. If the light is theirs, then the night is ours. In the final hour we will shine in numbers. If a life is cursed by the facade and death, will we show the strength or will we fall in death? Will there ever be the moment when we learn to win? When we take the lead and don't compromise? 'Cause when it's time for war and you don't feel deprived, the people will ask, are you still alive? Systematic revolution, let it be the chant for the next generation. Let it be the hum for the higher elevation. A nation in a unified manifestation.
Flies